Sons of native doctors don't have to snag a room. Now, ministry back of Nemo. They mobilized 500 of them. Now that I have my this is called more than 1,000. Now, Rahamadu, the police in no harm. Why? Has seen India from Wojo. How to do Haboham? It's a name. I moved them to the police station. Hand over to the DPO. See, DPO was in my village. I don't want to be part of that problem. As for coming down, my driver saw the 500 of them. He had no work. Now, tell guys to more than the job. I belong to the kingdom. And the wonders of that kingdom is that this God will protect us. I said, hey, Daddy, I know you don't care about your life. I'm a young husband. Can you shut up your mouth? As they were marching towards us, they turned and began to run back. They said the Swami would 1,000 soldiers. While they were running, one person lost his right arm. Some had leg dislocation. My God, my God, did you say me? So yes. The elders of my village asked him to return and apologize to me. How to turn on my gates? They have on my gate and they have almost have a process. 500 young men waiting to kill me. And the man told them that if I be about to preach, every Muslim in the north will have 23 years setback. And that they should do all they can to kill me. And God said, fly into Abuja. Find a convoy of 10 jeeps and 5 escort jeeps to take you from Abuja to Kaduna. We moved 15 jeeps from Uyo. We sent 6 trucks from Uyo straight to Kaduna, but the other chiefs went to them with plane and other to pick me. As we're coming at a terrible speed with the light on, with the security men with the button that goes out, every Muslim knew there was trouble in the air. Manakafe, the governor of Kaduna State, told me he fasted, and prayed and cried and said to God, if they will kill this man, not when I'm in office. You know, when they saw us, they were afraid. Everybody ran away. They said I was coming with even soldiers, that the 15 jeep they saw, that just the pilot troop, that others were coming. But not that, so now so they talk. What does it say? Everybody open that place to read.
Ephesians chapter 6, verse 2. Honor thy father and thy mother, which is the first commandment with promise.
Commandment with promise.
That it might be well with thee.
One, that it may be well with you.
And thou mayest live long.
That you may live long. When you insult your spiritual father or your substitute father, you have cut short your life. And then the men at church say, how could they come on our matter? Yes, sir.
That it might be well with thee,
that thou may live long.
And thou mayest live long on the earth.
I told this my brother, Namalala. While I was saying Namalala, one stupid girl, sorry to use that word, she deserves it. One stupid girl, only ambassador of Nigeria to the UN, got up and hugged him for insulting his brother. he used a very stupid expression. Say, I'm happy because I want them on there. Go no longer with a phone call with outline ambassador. Mona, 2 months after, Gaga Baby. Captain London and Lagos young. Well, I'm to go to Korea. Oh, I never
Whoso curseth his father and his mother,
whosoever curses the father and his mother,
his lamp shall be put out in
his light
obscure
shall be
darkness.
put out.
Proverbs 20:20.
Let's see 1 Kings chapter 2 and let's do verse 12. 1 Kings chapter 2 verse 12. What does it say?
The throne of David.
1 Kings chapter 2 verse 12.
Yes, sir. Then sat Solomon upon the throne of David his father, and his kingdom was established greatly.
No. I am looking for where Elisha came crying.
7 Kings.
Huh?
7 Kings.
Elisha saw it
And cried,
my father.
my father.
Elisha calls Elijah, my father, my father.
The chariot of Israel,
The chariot of Israel,
and the horsemen
the
thereof.
horsemen thereof.
And he saw him no more.
I want you to hear me. That your senior pastor is your spiritual father. He has power to put a curse upon you. I was in Lagos when our church, Assemblies of God, had problems. One of the deacons wrote a letter that made it difficult to sack their pastor. I went to see the young man that wrote the letter. He told me he didn't write a letter. Can I see the wife? The wife came. The wife asked him, darling, so you can tell everybody alive, including this man. Yes, shut up your mouth. He said, in 2 weeks' time, that triple Mercedes Benz in Aba, he gave you a war. Otu nwa family ndị nwe ego dịka gị nwa. Anyị ga-ahụ otu nsogbu n'ala. 2 weeks. Yes, I reject it in Jesus' name. Nwunye ya say me. Week and walk. He was driving his Mercedes Benz 500 series. I'm sure he was a member of our church. He ran into a boy, the only son of the family, they are not a rich family, and they killed him. But I now have going my head back. I was an bishop on the car. Ebe aka mana agwa ndị Igbo ihe na ọwa anyị bụ ndị Chineke ji amamihe gọzie, ji mkpebi gọzie, ji nghọta gọzie, ji ojuju gọzie ma ya naghị eme nke ọma. Ma akpọ ya sị emekwala akwa Chineke agwala mee ka federal minister for 12 years. Ya kwụsị ịga aka. 2 weeks after he became federal minister. N'ụzọ kwụsịsị na ọ bụla naanị nka ya ka ahụ kwụsị moto the whole of Ohafia clan na ahụla federal minister. Ọwụka mbụrụ amụma ka ọ ọzọ. Jerry Kana, my friend and brother, was federal minister for years. Ya dịwụ ya ọ na-agụ n'ọsọ ka agaghị ebe a na-akpọ Mr. V. And she has no my way that way. Or something like that. Or back that they bring the I'm not on the police, or I'm not near another. Yanamodia, and I come.